Welcome to Sliced Bread, the best little problem-solving, prototype building, user experience shop around. There are a ton of new user experience companies popping up. So what makes working with Sliced Bread different? We like to think it's our charming personalities. But in reality, it's our devout adherence to something called design thinking that really sets us apart. Design thinking is the unique process we use to break down and solve really tough problems. Whether you're a new business trying to break through or an existing one trying to go in a new direction, design thinking is the process we use to go from idea to innovation. The best thing about design thinking is that it can be applied to just about anything. Software problems, hardware problems, even organizational problems. It's so flexible, we believe it'll even work on non-human problems. Let's take Sam the squirrel here. What if we were tasked with finding a better way for her and her squirrel family to find and store food for the winter? How would we use design thinking to solve this problem? First, we'd use observation to fully understand their needs. We'd notice that looking for and storing nuts is dangerous. No, like really dangerous. From our interviews, we'd learn that even though they're so cute, squirrels are actually exhausted and frustrated. All they really want to do is hang out and party. But they can't. After we're done with user research, we hit the whiteboards to unpack what we've heard with the help of sticky notes. We'd uncover key insights like how crucial working together is for getting food. Then we'd use what we learned to brainstorm potential solutions. What if we developed an app that maps out the safest routes, helps locate communal stashes, and rates the best nuts to store? Maybe we could even develop forums to share tips and info. Then, we'd pick the most promising ideas, deep-rooted in insights, to turn into prototypes. Now, it's time for us to see if these designs are really going to work. We'd observe users interacting with the prototypes through rapid experimentation and field testing. Get it? Field testing? Because we're in a field? We'd build working models of the app and have the squirrel community test them out. We'd use the app data and interview data to see what was working and what wasn't. Then we'd make changes based on their feedback. We'd continue iterating, including visual design to make it not just useful, but functionally beautiful. For us, visual design is an ongoing process too. We'd test concepts until we had visuals that met the squirrel's needs. Beautiful, clean, and dripping with earthy tones. In the end, we'd find an elegant solution that kept the squirrels safe, well-fed, and strengthened their sense of community, giving Sam and the crew the time to throw a rockin' block party. So what makes your business different? At Sliced Bread, we want to use design thinking to help you create experiences that solve even the toughest problems. No furry tail required. Sliced Bread. Design thinking. Brilliant experiences.